In this video, I will guide you how you can use ChatGPT from OpenAI. So ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI that use natural language processing or NLP to have human-like conversation and complete various tasks such as coding, your daily life problem, or for coding purposes. You will also have the interface like that you can simply check out your history. You have your option to attach your file, and then you have upgrade plan option. Right now the free version of ChatGPT is based on GPT 3.5, but you will also have a limited access to GPT 4o, which is the new AI that can talk with you, and then you can ask the GPT-4o on your mobile and on your desktop as well. But unfortunately on the Windows you cannot access the GPT-4o by installing the app because it's not supporting right now. On the Mac you can simply install the ChatGPT-4o, and then you can use it for your daily tasks. You can ask different things to GPT-4o and this AI will going to reply according to that. Next up is we have upgrade to plan. You can go with any one of these plans if you are interested in it, but if you just want to use it, let's say once in a while, in a week or two, you can simply stick to the free plan, and you can access all the basic features by simply entering the prompt just like that and click on the send button. Now this will gonna generate the text immediately that you can use for your purposes. You also have the option of ChatGPT on the top left, which is going to be the same upgrade option. You also have the option to share chat, which you can click on it, and then you can simply click on the create link. Now you can copy link and share it with your friends or any other colleague that you want to share with, and you're good to go. So that's the overview of how you can use ChatGPT by OpenAI.